everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's pretty hazardous today. Oh, a lot of snow, a lot of rain, a lot of holes in the freeway, the side roads. It's really messed up. But anyways, I just have a little small unboxing here. So this is from the post office in the States, because we can go to the States, but in order to come back to Canada, you have to have a PCR test, and they're $200 per person, plus it takes 3 to 5 days for the results. So it's not worth us going to the States for a few hours. So anyways, these were in our US box, so we had to have them shipped up to Canada. The ongoing fun. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. So that's what happens when things change. They change daily, so anyways, you never knew. Alright. Okay, we're in. Okay. Some bubble wrap. Alright, so I got my Amiboo Nintendo little cards here. I don't know how many cards you get, but this is from Japan, so let me see how many cards you get. Because you can invite people into the campsite kind of deal. And this looks like Series 2. Alright. So you can't get these in Canada. They don't have any Amiboo cards. Alright, so let's see how many you get. Okay, so you get... Alright, so you get this one here. You get 3. And you get this guy. And then you get this little mouse here. And I did find out when you are inviting the different ones to the campsite, they'll ask you to go make them stuff. So just be prepared if that's something that you're doing for the, these are for the Amiibos for the Animal Crossing New Leaf. Alright, so that's that one. Alright, so I got this Madame LEOTA. And it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got a little harp. Alright. So this is going to go in my Harvey bag. Pretty good size. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to take the Disney tag off that, and that was, this was $20 and I got it for $11 off eBay. So that's not too bad. I thought it was less than that, but maybe not. But yeah, in my Harvey bag that has Madame LEOTA initial on it, it's gonna go in that bag. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, and then this is for Ted. He wanted some alien tape. So I got him 2 things of alien tape. So we're just gonna try that out and see how he likes it. So that's for him. And then I got him a surprise for Christmas, but it came late, but he'll still appreciate it. And these are super hard to get in Canada too. I don't know why, but it's 4 ounces of Jovan musk. This smells really good, but I don't know why it's so hard to get, but it is. Alright. That's it for that. Stick all that fun stuff in there. But yeah, that Madame LEOTA was brand new. So maybe the lady bought it and she never used it. That happens a lot. And last but not least, let's go ahead and pop this open. If we can. Holy moly. Huh. Sometimes people go a little bit overboard. And yay, finally did it. All right, this is Jovan Island Gardenia. You cannot get this in Canada. So that's what makes it hard, because you're looking for items from the States, and you can't go. You can go down, but like I said, you can't get back. So yeah, that's what the bottle looks like. And this is 1.5 ounces, so that's pretty good size. That smells great. All right, well, I'm glad to have that, because this is super hard to find. So is this. And so is it. And so is my Amiboo cards. So the alien tape, I think you can get that in Canada, but we never seen it anywhere. We've only seen it like, you know, like on TV, but we went into the store that's seen on TV, and they don't have it in there either, so. But that's my little unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe, and Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I welcome you in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and tell a friend, and all that fun stuff. And make sure that you ring the bell, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a fabulous giveaway. It's going to be a Loungefly mini backpack, brand new. So let's get the numbers up and let's grow the channel. Alright, so thanks again for watching. Stay safe. Bye now.